Asa yung installment ano boss?
Ano dyan? Credit card niya installment.
Asa 12 months, 1.8 ang monthly. JBL, saan yung JBL ano boss?
Kasi GPL.
Pages. Bigat mga body oh. Ganda rin oh. Original to no?
Yes sir.
Yan oh. 18,000 spot cash. 18,599. JBL. Ito isa 19,000. So, anong ano to Brad? Box Encore swing. Encore?
Encore.
Bigat din no? Ganda rin, ang bigat. Yan no? Ganda rin to. Pwede pang video kito no?
Yes sir.
May-
Nakasayin ko sir.
May mic,
Oo, with mic na yan.
microphone no? Yan, okay. Microphone. Yung JBL na yan. Ganda yan, pang ano. Yung installment, 12 months, 1,916. 19,000. Mas maganda pala to. 18. Mas mahal pala ni. Kesa dyan. No?
Yes sir.
Manong mahal kaysa ng gamay.
Sana sir, sa wattage sir. Wattage.
Sa wattage, yung difference.
Sa wattage. Wattage. Wattage.
Ang malaking speaker nito siguro. Laki kasi yung speaker nito mga badiga, medyo mahal siya kaysa doon sa isa no. Mas mahal doon siya. Kasi yung speaker is malaki. Yan maliit. Yan. Ganda rin yan mga badi no. Pang ano lang, pang sound trip. Ayos na yan. So ito premium play isa. So ito na ito. Okay. Ano sir Bart? Robinson Plus. Nasa Robinson Appliance tayo mga badin. Dito yan sa Robinson Appliance. JBL. Okay. Ito badin Platinum. DK88. Yan. DK88 Duo Party Joke Box. Ganda yan yan. So yung price niyan is yan 16,099. Platinum brand mga badino yan. SD card siya. So pwede mo i-on yan. So yan. May lights na siya. Ito yung lights niya. Lit. Rin, no? Ito, light. Platinum, DK 88. Yung price niya, yan. 1,000. Okay. Yes. Ito naman mga badi, LG RN-C7 speaker. Yan. Ayan siya mga badi, no? Ito mga pati, Concert Aurora. Yan, Aurora. So yan ang brand niya mga pati, no? Yan ang price niya. Bluetooth mode yan mga pati, no? So dito yung mode. Yan, FM line Bluetooth. So yan, ito naman yung lead. Yan. so fine.
You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You live a high life, limousines through your fantasies. You never knew it, but you were my lifeline. You got me drowning in the sea. You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
So na, Tiger.
You are ruthless. Yeah, you don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you?